Hello, so my name's Suzanne Ponsonby. I'm an agent for Leggett Immobilier, and I'm here in the Nouvelle-Aquitaine region of southwest France in the Charente department. And I'm very excited to be able to show to you this very rare 12th century abbey. So this is a lovely rural part of France. It's full of rolling hills and beautiful woodlands. And this particular area is very close to Angoulême, which is 40 minutes away. A beautiful city with a very fast link to Paris in 2 hours and down to Bordeaux in about half an hour. So the abbey is situated at the end of a no-through road in a very beautiful rural area, which offers you lots of privacy and seclusion. Today is an autumn day, and as you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day, so you'll be able to enjoy everything that the gardens and the land has to offer. And in the land there's an orchard full of fruit trees and nut trees. There are 2 large lakes full of fish, which you can fish, and there are stables where you can keep a horse. The current owners do have a horse here, but there's obviously plenty of room for you to have another one. So behind me you will see the main house, which has been fully renovated to a very high standard, keeping to all the original history of the building. For example, beautiful fireplaces, a stunning stone spiral staircase which is central to the house. Leggett has over 200 chateaux on their books, but it's very rare to get an abbey for sale. This house was in the 12th century. It was an abbey. It was sold during the French Revolution to farmers, and it then stayed in the same family for the next few generations until the 1980s, when this current family took it on. I absolutely love it. It's been done so beautifully and sympathetically. It has a real feel of a family home inside. The details of this property are underneath this video, so if you'd like to have a viewing, or if you have any more questions or any further questions, please do get in touch with me. I'd be delighted to show you around this beautiful home.